Hi everybody and welcome back to the videos. So in this video I'm going to start looking over the solutions to the exercises that I gave during last week's online session. So in the last session where we looked at Boolean logic, I gave a set of exercises that were actually to cover the topics we looked at in the first session on algorithms. So I'm just going to create a video for each of the solutions to each of the exercises that I set here. And in the Google Courses document that the Google Documents link that I made available to everybody, and I'll make the solution code available as well. So we'll start anyway with the first exercise in exercise set 1, and challenge my own Python programming ability. Write a Python, so we're going to start with number 1. Write a Python program that prints out your name and age to the screen on the same line. Okay, so I'll open my Visual Studio Editor here, and I'm going to create a new file. I'll select Python to get started, and I'm going to save this as exercise1.py. Okay, let's have a quick look at that again. Write a Python program, and it has to print out your name and age to the screen on the same line. So we know we can use the print function in Python to print out a message to the screen. And print will always print on one line. So if I want to do that, I can say print, and I can go double quotes and say, just for fun, my name is Michael. My age is 32, or at least it will be on Wednesday. Well, I don't want to be 32, so 31, but keep it young. Okay, my name is Michael. My age is 31. Okay, so that will print this string, everything between the two double quotation marks, on one line. So let's save that and run it to prove the point. Whenever Python's ready, there we go. My name is Michael and my age is 31. So that was the name and age printed out on one line. So that is the solution to exercise 1. And in the next video, we'll look at the solution to exercise 2.